Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect your iRobot Roomba Combo 2 Essential for the first time with the iRobot Home app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to set it up within the app. So we have the app pulled up right here. We can manage all of our devices. In our case though, you might see something a little bit different if you don't have other devices already set up. But in the top right hand corner, we can add our product. Second option up from the bottom. And now we can connect with Wi-Fi the easy way, so we can skip or continue. Up to you. We're going to go ahead and continue. And now it's going to search for nearby products. So we'll see what shows up. And in this case, here we go. We actually have two options. We're going to connect to the Roomba Combo. So we can also scan a QR code if your product has that, and that's going to be on the quick start card, which is at the top of your box that you open up. It'll be the first piece there. It'll say scan this to set up. But in our case, we're just going to select the vacuum right here, hit set up. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Select yes, continue. Enter your network password. Next, you'll want to enter your network password, then select done. Now it's working on connecting to our robot. Press your robot's clean button. We got the chime, it's connected, it's verifying the password, then it's going to establish the cloud connection with our account and the robot. We got a chime there, that's great.
Your robot is fully set up and ready to go.
All right.
It's clean to get to work.
Awesome. Let's give the app a second to catch up. There we go. It took the app a solid, let's say 25, 30 seconds after we heard it on the vacuum first. Select continue. We can name it. Setup's complete. It's loading our experience. All right, we have our experience screen here. Welcome to the world Roomba Combo. I'm just going to click through each of these. If you want to look at them in more detail, you can. Just want to show you everything we have here. They have your controls, how it operates, return home to recharge, resume cleaning where it left off, customize your cleaning needs. You get the idea here. Nice, helpful guide here. Great images. And now we're taken into the device settings right there. And that's it, guys. Everything is now all set up and you're ready to go to start cleaning.